In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge PDF files into one in Adobe Acrobat. Merging PDFs can be incredibly useful, whether you're looking to streamline document management for work, school, or personal use. So let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring you know exactly what to do every step of the way. First, let's begin on the home page of Adobe Acrobat. You might notice a couple of options available to you right off the bat. You can either create a new document or open up a recent one. For this demonstration, we're going to focus on accessing a recent document. Directing yourself to recent documents can often save a bit of time, especially if you're working on something you accessed earlier. Once you've got that recent file open, the next thing you'll want to do is turn your attention to the Tools pane. You can usually find this in the upper portion of your screen, or left sidebar, depending on your layout. Look for the option that says Combine Files, and go ahead and click on that. This is the feature we're going to use to merge our PDFs seamlessly into one document. After selecting Combine Files, you'll be prompted to add the files you wish to merge. At this point, it's time to collect the PDFs from your computer that you wish to consolidate into one. You can click Add Files and navigate through your File Explorer to find the ones you need. Take this moment to double-check that you've selected all the necessary files, and remember, you can always rearrange the order later if needed. Bringing attention to this now can help alleviate any confusion or oversight when you reach the next steps. As soon as you've confirmed all the files you want to merge are included, look towards the bottom or top right corner for the Combine button. Clicking this will initiate the merging process. Acrobat will begin working to integrate all the individual documents into one comprehensive file. This step might take a moment or two depending on the number and size of the files you're merging, so patience is key here. Once the process is complete, your new combined PDF will be displayed. You now have all your selected documents in one place, making them easier to share, print, or archive. Don't forget to save this new combined document under a recognizable name to avoid any future confusion. By following these steps, you should now be confident in your ability to merge PDF files into one using Adobe Acrobat. This handy skill will make managing your digital documents a much smoother experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and share if you found this video helpful. Until next time.